everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Disney MULAN palette from ColourPop, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's such a beautiful palette, and I like how many nude shades there are, matte shades there are, shimmery shades. It's just such a good overall palette. The first shade that I went in with is Fighter, and I just used that as my transition shade. So I just picked up a big fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease, going in back and forth motions and circular motions. Next, I went in with the shade Strength, and it has a little bit of a warm undertone. And I just put that shade in my crease, going in back and forth motions, putting it a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket. And then I went in with that same shade, and I went in with a bigger blending brush just to really blend out those edges. I like using a defined angled brush first because it just allows for very specific placement of the shadow. Next, I'm going in with the shade True, which is a deeper matte brown shade, and I just put that directly over top of the previous shade that we went in with. And then I went back into that first transition shade that we went in with, Fighter, and I just went over that line, going in back and forth motions and circular motions just to really blend it out. Because even though we want definition, we still want it to be blended. And then for all over the lid, I wanted to go in with a darker shade, so I went in with Defiant. It's a really beautiful black shade with some reflex in it. And I just applied it all over the lid. And then I wanted to apply some wing liner, so I went in with my Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Fine Point Eye Pen, and I just created a wing. Then I decided that I wanted to add a little bit more glitter to the lid, so I went in with the ColourPop Bring the Heat Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter. I always have to add a disclaimer when I'm using these body glitters because they're meant for the body, not the eye. So if you have very sensitive eyes, I don't know if I would recommend this for your eyes, but I've never had any problems with these glitters, so that's just my disclaimer. And then for lashes, I went in with the Sofie Bella lashes in the style Bahama. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. These are currently still in stock, so definitely check them out if you like how they look. And then I went in with the shade Fighter once again, and I'm starting to apply the shadows to my lower lash line. I pretty much went in with the same ones that I put in my crease. So I just went from inner corner to outer corner, starting to warm it up. And then I went in with Strength, just going in back and forth motions, really making sure that it's nice and blended. And then I went in with True. And then the last thing that I did for this look was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!